Time to deadhead some dahlias. So let's see if we can find something that needs deadheading. These lovely little dahlia arbor tacks. There's nothing, none of those really at the moment need deadheading. I did these the other day. If we come across here, I've got Dahlia Bishop of Llandaff, beautiful red flowers, and we can look at the difference between the buds and the dead heads. There is a flower obviously on its last legs, last few petals are there. You can see how these sepals at the edge are closing up, and ultimately what you'll end up with is this. So that is the spent flower. Notice it's cone shaped. Notice these outer sepals have closed around what's left of the disc in the center of the plant, and you can contrast that absolutely against this, which is a bud about to flower, rounded, slightly flattened at the top. So this we need to deadhead. If we look down the stem, you can see I've already deadheaded something here. There's already been a deadhead taken off there, so there's not much point in cutting that back to here because I don't think there's going to be any more growth there. But if we go down further to the next joint, which is down in here, this is the place that we'll cut it back, and you can already see the new buds are growing from those leaf axils. So I've got my trusty Felco number 2 secateurs, which are my absolute favourites, and I just need to cut this down as low as I can get without damaging the other, the other shoots on the side. Just cut that. It's going to fall. I haven't cut that very cleanly, so I'll cut it again because I'm holding the camera. So there you go, there's the flower. There's a bud coming through, and that's the dead head by comparison. Thanks for watching. This is Martin Cole at gardeningstepbystep.com.